How y'all doing today? It's your boy, Maxed Out. Today I'm working on a 2018 Honda Accord. We're doing the front brakes. Check it out. So the 2018 Honda Accord is probably the simplest brake system that they got. It's just like any other basic brake pad system. It's nothing special. You change these brakes just like you change any other brakes from any other car. So I'll show you the components and then we'll just take them off. It's going to take about 15 minutes. Let's go. Basically, you got your system, same system. You can compress the brakes with your brake compressor over here. Take these two caliper off and change the brakes just like that. And with the caliper up and out of the way, now the brake pads are just sitting there. All you do, replace them. Make sure you clean off everything with a wire brush first, all of the rusted parts and everything, and then you replace it. Now you can see the comparison on these brakes. They needed some brakes bad, so yeah, glad we did that.